Yes, next topic is electric charge carriers. Charge carriers or electric current carriers. In solids, who is responsible for current? In solids, electrons are responsible, free electrons in conductors are responsible for the current carriers, charge carriers. In solid, free electrons are as charge in liquids. There are electrolytes, so cations and anions are carriers or current carriers. Got it? In gases, what is in gas? In gases, there are no any current or charge carriers as it is insulating for electric current. Got it? Now, next, as there are charge carriers in solid, then what is the process when the current is flowing? How the charge flow? How the charge move? Or if there is no current, it means are the charges at rest at that time? No. Free charges always move randomly in different direction, but current is not flowing until and unless an external EMF is applied on it. Means there are two types of velocity. First is thermal velocity. For charge free electron, we are studying about the solids, conductors, and here if there is no EMF is connected, means in absence of force, EMF. In absence of EMF, the free electrons move in different direction, but net velocity of free electrons be as 0. How? कैसे? Such as we have a conductor and there are some free electron and there is no any EMF is applied, These free electrons randomly move according to their condition, according to their circumstances. They are moved in different direction. When we take the resultant of these, all the electrons, suppose one is moving with U1, other is moving with U2, next is moving U3, up to UN. There are so many free electrons which are moving randomly in different direction. Then we take the mean value of all the free electrons, as the direction is different, and we will take the vector sum. The velocity is the vector quantity. We will take the vector sum. Then we will find all the mean of these 0, means no displacement in free electron, no net displacement in any specific direction. So we will say that there is no current. This is called when there is no current and the free electron is moving. This velocity is known as thermal velocity. Okay. Next, when we will say the current is flow, when we apply any EMF across any conductor and electrons, free electrons move in particular direction from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the cell. Then this is called drift velocity. Why we will say drift velocity? Because it is very, very small, of 10 to the power minus 12, 10 to the power minus 20, of the order of this range. So we will say, we will tell it drifting. Only some खसक रहे हैं, not move कर रहे हैं, drift कर रहे हैं. This is called drift velocity. Suppose we have a conductor, such as you are standing in an assembly line, and if we push up, the last student is pushed to the next student, then definitely the first will be also feel the push up. This is called, this type of motion is in the conductor when electromotive force is applied. Means electromotive force can drift all the electron all together at the same time. Got it? Now drift velocity, the velocity, net velocity of free electrons when an EMF is applied across any conductor and electrons start to drift from negative side of cell to positive side of cell. The net velocity of a free electron when an EMF is applied across any conductor, then electron start to drift from negative terminal of cell to positive terminal of cell, is called drift velocity. It is denoted by Vd.